So what's up everyone and welcome back to another review. Today we're taking a look at Mureka AI. So Mureka AI is an AI-driven assistant platform designed to help users get information, answers, summaries, and creative responsiveness in a natural conversational form. It aims to be helpful for general tasks like answering questions, research summaries, create writing help, and even problem-solving explanations. Mureka generally focuses on delivering responses that are easy to understand and consensually useful. Mureka delivers responses that feel conversational and easy to follow, suitable for users who want helpful explanations without overly technical jargon. It can explain topics like science concepts, history, language questions, and simple problem solving. This makes it good for students, learners, and casual searchers. So you can also use it to help with drafting short essays, grammar corrections, story ideas, and even brainstorming topics. Responses feel logical and friendly. But on the other hand, it's not as powerful as top models. It provides shorter or less detailed responses, miss niche or highly specialized answers, and be less consistent with math and coding tasks. Also, it's useful for word idea generation, but for high-level creative content like long stories or professional scripts, users sometimes find the responses too simple. And if you need technical programming help, scientific analysis, and advanced math derivations, other powerful AI models might outperform it. So at the end, Mureka AI is a solid AI assistant for general use. It's easy to interact with, produces clear answers, and works well for everyday questions, idea generation, and simple research. It's not a powerhouse for technical depths or specialized fields, but it's practical for most casual AI tasks. It's especially good for students, learners, everyday users, and quick helpful guidance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.